To ensure your TikTok account remains secure, it's important to remove any old devices that are no longer in use. Follow these simple steps to manage your security settings effectively. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From here, you can manage various aspects of your account. Step 4. Select Security and Login. Scroll down and find the Security and Login option. Tap on it to view your current security settings, including the list of devices connected to your account. Step 5. Remove all devices. In the Devices section, you will see a list of devices that have access to your TikTok account. Identify the old devices you want to remove and tap on the Remove option next to each one. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your TikTok security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to maintain your online safety.